Good morning, dear students. Today we are going to do notice writing. So all of you take out your notebooks and pens and write down the format of notice writing first. So first I'll be discussing with you the proper format of notice writing. Okay, so start writing. Whenever you write down notice, so whatever the captions and titles we write down, we always write down captions and titles in capital letters. Okay. So start writing. Very first line of notice will be the name of the organization and it should be written in capital letters. Name of the organization. Okay. Name of the organization or name of the school or name of the institute, it should be written in the very first line. Okay. After that, in next line, you will be writing notice. And this notice word also should be written in capital letters. Okay, dear students. After that, we have to mention here in third line date. See, when you are going to write down a date, there is a proper format of writing a date. Don't use abbreviations. Abbreviations you can say short forms while writing date like th, fifth, first, thst. Avoid writing this and instead of that write down full date like 12 April 2021. This is the correct format of date and avoid putting commas etc. Also write down full month. Okay. After writing this date, in fourth line, you will be writing the heading, suitable caption or title of your notice according to the question given. Whatever the event, what is going to be happen, so we will be writing heading according to that. After that, there is a content. Okay, and content should not exceed 50 words. Okay, content should not exceed 50 words. For writing a content, I'm going to give you a value point checklist. You mention all those points in this content. Okay, so write down value points for that. What should be the main value points that should be added in this? It means in this you have to mention name of the event, that which event is going to be organized in your school or institution. Okay, and after the name of the event, if there is a name of the organizer, if it is there, then you have to mention this also, that who is going to organize this event. Okay, and you have to mention the main objectives or purpose of this event also, that which is the objective purpose or what is the main occasion, why it is going to be organized. Okay, so you can mention any of that objectives, purpose or occasion in this. Okay, and write down date, time. Time you can say it can also come in the category of, in the form of duration also. Okay, so write down date, time and duration also, and mention place or you can say venue, one and the same thing. It can be place also, it can be venue also. And in this activity, in this event, what activities are to be taken? Okay, activities to be taken, you have to mention which activities are going to be taken in this event. So mention all the activities names in detail. Okay, and to participate in that event, what are the main essential qualifications? Okay, that if anybody wants to participate in that, what should be the main eligibility criteria? So we can write down essential qualification. Okay. And you have to mention that if anybody wins, what will be the prize, what will be the awards, or you can say what will be the incentive that one is going to avail if he or she participates in this event. Okay. And if anybody wants to participate, to whom he should contact. So you write down contact address also. To whom he should contact. So its name or address should be also mentioned there. And after that, if there are other instructions, so you write down specific instructions also. Specific instructions also if any. So these are the value points that you have to mention in your notice. Don't forget to write down the name of the main event, name of the organizer, okay, what are the main objectives, purpose, occasion of this event, okay, and date, time can be also in the form of a duration, place and venue should be properly mentioned, what activities are going to be conducted under this, and what are the main essential qualification, that what will be the prizes and the awards and incentives. Contact address should also be mentioned in, and if there are other specific instructions, so you have to mention this also. Okay. And after writing all these value points, okay, these value points should be included in your notice. After writing this, you put your signature here, your signature, your name, and your designation. Your signature, your name, and your designation. And all these things, name and designation, it should be written in block letters. Block letters you can say in capital letters. Okay, my dear students. So you have to do this. Now you jot down in your notebooks this notice writing all the points. These are very much important. You always keep these value points in your mind whenever you are going to do notice writing. So I'm giving you 2 to 3 minutes. You jot down all these points. You jot down all these points, signature, name, designation. And don't forget that name and designation should be written in block letters. Clear? After writing this, I will be discussing one question with you also. You will be writing that question and afterwards we will solve that notice writing also. Clear? One student is raising his hand, Laksh from 9th here, roll number 24. Yes, beta, what is your query?
Then we have to leave line after date.
No, beta, there is no need to leave any line. It should be written in first line, it should be written in second, it should be in third, it should be in fourth. Okay? There is no need to leave any line, but it should be in a presentable manner. It should be written like that, everything should be written neatly, everything should be presented properly, and each and every word should be written clearly. Okay. And if you want to skip any line after a heading, then you can here skip to show that heading is separate and content is separate, to show it in a presentable manner. Otherwise, in between these 4 lines, I think so there is no need to skip any of the line. So jot down this. Afterwards, I will be discussing one question with you and we will be solving it in the class right now. Okay. So within 2 minutes, just write down. If you have any query, you can raise your hand or you can text me. Dhiren is asking me, can we mention date, time and venue in a small box? Yes, it is also right way. That if you want to mention date, time and venue separately, that this event is going to happen in the following way, or in the following, and the details are as follows, like date, time, venue. You want to show it separately, that is also okay. Incentive means what are you going to achieve? Suppose if you participate in this activity, what benefit you will be getting. Prize, award, or any incentive, it means what will be the benefit that you are going to, incentive means benefit that you are going to achieve by participating in this event. So if you have written it, text me so that I can move further. I can give you a question. Beta, if you have written, please tell me. Written, send me message if you have written. Okay, written. Okay, now I'm going to dictate one question to you. You write down that question, only then we will be able to solve this notice. So write down question. I'm going to dictate it to you. As the head boy of, write down all of you in your notebooks. As the head boy of DM Public School, as the, I don't want to mention the names of the students. I'm looking at you, those who are not writing and sitting idle, holding a pen in their hands. Start writing. As the head boy of DM Public School, Noida, as the head boy of DM Public School, Noida, draft a notice in about, draft a notice in about 50 words, draft a notice in about 50 words for all the house captains, for all the house captains and vice captain, as the head boy of DM Public School, Noida, draft a notice in about 50 words for all the house captains and vice captains to attend a meeting, to attend a meeting with the principal, to attend a meeting with the principal and the house in charges, with a principal and the house in charges, to discuss the allocation, to discuss the allocation of duties, to discuss the allocation of duties for checking of, to discuss the allocation of duties for checking of uniforms and latecomers, to discuss the duties for checking of uniforms and latecomers. Clear? So let's begin writing this notice. So first, in first line, we have to write down the name of the organization. If name of the organization is given in the question, so you will be copying that name. But if name of the question is not given, then you will be writing ABC School XYZ City. But we have been given names, so we will be writing DM Public School. Okay, this name is given DM Public School. Name of the city is also given. So you will be writing the name of the city also. After that, second line, that should be of notice. And don't forget that each and every line of first and this second, both should be written in capital letters, and fourth one also should be written in capital letters. Now in third, we have to mention date. So date should be written like this, 12th April 2021. Now here comes a caption or heading or title of your notice. So what will be the appropriate title of this notice according to the question? Because there is a notice about for all the house captains and vice captains to attend a meeting with the principal and the house in charges to discuss the allocation of checking of uniforms and latecomers. So what will be the caption. Viren has sent me message of house meet. Renuka has written house meeting. Okay, very good. So its appropriate title will be house council meeting. This should also be written in capital letters. House council meeting. In your exam, there are, I think there is 1 mark for writing a correct format. There will be 5 marks for notice writing. 1 mark will be for this format. So write down this format very, very carefully, and 2 marks will be for content and 2 marks will be for presentation and grammar. Okay. So now let's frame this notice. Now in the beginning, when you are going to start a notice, in the beginning you will be mentioning for whom this notice is. Okay. For whom you are going to write down. So this notice, according to the question, is for captain and vice captain. So who will be informed? If you want to inform the whole school, so you'll be writing like that. It is to inform, like it is to inform you all that. If it is for a particular class, that for example 9th and 10th only, so it is to inform the students of class 9th and 10th. But this notice is for all the captains and vice captain, all the house and vice captain. Okay. So here you will be beginning this notice like that. All the houses and vice captains. Houses, but here houses, it should be written capital. Why so? Because it is referring to a particular name. Okay. So we will be writing all the houses and vice captains must, because it is compulsory. If this meeting is with principal ma'am, so it is compulsory. So all the houses and vice captain must attend. Now you have to mention what they have to attend. They have to attend an important. Now you can put emphasis that it is an important meeting. It is not a simple meeting. It is an important meeting. Okay. So to attend an important meeting. Now this meeting is with whom? You have to mention this also. This meeting is with principal, and house in charges. And here house also, H should be written in capital letter. House in charges and house in charges on, you have to mention here this date, like on 15th April 2021. On 15th April 2021. Now when? During, you have to mention time also. During recess period. So it will be your date, it will be your time, and you have to mention now place or venue also, in school hall. Okay, in school hall. Okay, why they are going to organize this meeting? To discuss. Now what they have to discuss? To discuss the allocation, of duties. To discuss the allocation of duties. Now which kind of duties? Which kind of duties are assigned for this? For the checking of uniform, and late comers. Now keep this thing in your mind, that you have to keep this thing in your mind, for whom this notice has been written. First thing, because in the checklist value point list, I have given you that you have to mention for whom this notices. So you have to mention all the captain, house and vice captain. Okay. And this meeting is with whom? It is with principal and house in charges. Okay. Mention this also, mention this also. And date, time and venue should be mentioned in single line. Don't mention it separate. But if you want to mention date, time and venue, you can mention in between by making a proper paragraph like date, time, venue, making a one table. This can also be written on this. Okay. So during, so here date should be mentioned. Date, it is your time, recess period, it is your venue. What I have written in single line because we don't want to exceed word limit of 50 words. Okay. You have to tell the reason why this meeting is going to be held. It is going to be held for the allocation of duties of checking of uniform and latecomers. After that, you put your signature. But here, whatever the question I have given you, it is given the has the head boy. It means designation is given, but name is not given. So write down any of the name. You can write down any of the name. See, if name is not given, I am putting ABC in the signature form. Here I will be writing ABC and designation is given in the question. So I am here writing head boy. But head boy should be written in block letters. It should be written in capital letters. If name is given in the question, you can copy that name. But if name is not given in the question, so you write down ABC. Don't write down your name. Because you are a student of 9th class in board checking, it is not allowed to write down your name. You have to mention ABC, XYZ like that. So in this way, you have to frame this notice. It should be to the point. Okay. Each and every information should be understood at a glance by reading only once. Okay. All the points should be clear. It should not exceed word limit. All the things should be written in a presentable manner. It should be written in a very formal way because you are writing for school purpose. No informal language should be used. Only formal language should be used. Each and every point should be written in a very nice way, in a brief way, in a precise and presentable manner. Okay. So now you can write down this notice in your notebooks. And if you have any doubt, you can ask me. Aparan is asking signature are to be done after leaving a line. Yes. If you have written this content, I'm giving you one suggestion. Before this content, you skip one line, and after this content, you skip only one line. It is a very easy way to learn where to skip a one line. In first, second, third, fourth, there is no need to skip any line. But when you are going to frame this 50 words paragraph, before paragraph and after paragraph, only skip one line to make it presentable. Because this piece of writing will look different, that this content format is different. This is also a format and content is written in between. So easy way to learn after paragraph and before paragraph to skip one line only. Okay. Now there is no need to leave any line between signature, name and designation. There is no need to skip any line in between the format. Okay. So this is all about notice writing. You write down and you'll be doing it in your fair notebook also. And one notice I'm going to give you as a homework for doing practice. This practice we'll be doing in rough, and that practice we will also discuss in class that what you people all have written on your own. Okay. Okay, student, I think this notice writing is clear to you. So according to that, you will follow all the guidelines, whatever the homework you will be receiving, whatever the value points I have given you, make a list of all the value points, learn all the value points, and forget, don't forget to put all the value points in your notice, because if you will be following the value point checklist, only then you will be able to frame a very good piece of notice writing. You will be able to score good marks in this writing skill. Okay, students, am I clear to you?